What's up, guys? Will H Tech Review back with another video, taking a look at a multifunctional smartphone video kit today. So this was sent out by a company called Viewflex. So a big shout out to them for providing this for a review. This is the Viewflex model number VFK2 vertical and horizontal video recording accessories for your iPhone, Samsung, Huawei, Android smartphones for vlogging. You can use it for YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, live streams, just about anything you want to use it for. This is going to be a great little kit for doing that. You can get it now for $55.99. I'll drop that link in the description. Here are a few of the ways you can use this. The link will be in the description, guys, so you can go over and check out all of this stuff that they have on here about this kit. Let's go over a few of the features and details. So video and audio, horizontal and vertical. This has a 360-degree rotating screw smartphone holder. Allows your phone to be in vertical or horizontal. At the same time, the professional shotgun mic makes it easier to get louder and clearer sounds. It also takes your video to a new level. Wide uses, suitable for various models. VF-K2 is a 3-in-1 smartphone video mic kit. It contains a shotgun microphone, phone holder, and tripod. It's compatible with most smartphone sizes. Perfect for vlogging, like I said, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, travel, recording, etc. This has a 1/4 and 3/8 external port, professional smartphone holder with 1/4 and 3/8 threaded hole, compatible with more types of tripods. In addition, the 2 cold shoe ports of the smartphone holder also be equipped with a microphone and LED lamp, not included. So you can do that as well. You got 180-degree shooting angle adjustability. So you can rotate this all the way around. The link will be in the description if you guys want to head over and check this out. So here's the packaging that it comes in. Very nice packaging. Got a picture of the device there. Says multifunctional smartphone kit VFK2. And then here's the back of it. Some of the main features right there. Pause that, read it yourself. We're going to get into the box and check this out. So unboxing knife on deck. Still working on this desk too, guys. I want to let you guys see this when I get through with it, but we're working on it for now. All right, get that plastic cut a little bit. Get the knife out of the way. This video is being shot on the iPhone 12. So let me know how this look and sound. So let's get into the box. All right. So here is the opening of the box. And you get a nice carrying case here. Some kind of velvet feel to it with nice red. I like red. And there's the inside of it. So good pouch to carry your stuff in when you're not using it. So here's your dead cat, your wind muff, microphone muff, filter there. And then you got your poison for your trolls. You got this is your connector that goes from your microphone to your camera or cell phone or whatever you want to use it with. You got your shock mount right here. This is what your microphone connects to, as you can see. And then you got your microphone, the cardioid mic. Very nice, has a nice heft to it, so it's not bad. Put that over to the side. You do get a booklet here. And we will open this up. See what we get here. Bumpy cam. Shout out to J. Will. So you get some stuff in here. First off, you get your user's manual. A lot of information in that. You also get just some other little cards here. And we also get our phone holder here. Ooh, this is nice, man. This feels great. This is all metal. So you got your adjustable to hold your different size phones. You have a screw here that you can loosen up, and vertical or horizontal. And then here's this part. This is flexible. Yeah, this is nice, man. It has a nice heft to it. So we're gonna set that over to the side as well. So next we have a wind screen here. So this goes over your mic like so. If you don't want to use the muff or the dead cat they call it, you can use this as well. A lot of people like to use those. And the last thing we have in here is our tripod. Let's get the box out of the way. And this is a nice thick tripod that is very, very nice, man. Very, very nice. Got some very thick legs to it. Good heft, has that red color that I like. Nice rubber lining right there. So that's everything in the box, man. Let's go ahead. Got a little logo there. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get everything together. Then we'll come back and check this out. All right, guys, so let's take a closer look at the phone holder here. As you see, you got your 1/4 and your 3/8 threads there. So you can use it on different size tripods and mounts. You got your Viewflex back here. This is a nice red accent there. This rotates 180 degrees, so you can use it in landscape or portrait. You do have a hinge here that you can use this in different positions, as you guys see. So very nice, made out of metal, very heavy, sturdy, very nice. So let's go ahead and get it connected to the tripod. And this is a 1/4, so it's gonna go into your 1/4 inch right there. Just screw it in like this. And that is what you get. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get a phone and we're gonna get this hooked up, so stand by. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have the Google Pixel 4a. This phone has a microphone, 3.5mm microphone jack here. It's gonna be for your mic or your headphones. So we're gonna go ahead and drop this in. Let me go ahead and flip it around here. So just loosen that up. And now I can drop the phone in here, like so. Now this does have a case on it. So you can see, there it is. There it is in portrait. You can also use it in landscape. And this is what you get. So you can use it here. You fold it back, any position you want there. So let's go ahead and get the mic together and get it on here. So here's the microphone. Here's the shock mount. So you just get it on the shock mount. So there's one end. There's the other end. So there's the shock mount. So for this, you can either use your wind muff or you can use this one here. We're gonna use this one for this demo. There it is. And then you put it on your cold shoe here. Just kind of back that nut up a little bit. Screw it down so it doesn't come out. So this is what you have. Gotta hook our wire up, but let's get that hooked up right quick. So here you go. So you take this in and it goes into your mic like so. And then on this end, where the 3.5mm headphone jack is, or mic jack in this instance, right here. And we're gonna plug it in. Make sure it snaps. So there it is. This is your whole setup, guys. Pretty nice. We're gonna go ahead and get into the phone. And here it is. So we're gonna get into the camera. And what you have to do is just get your wire out of the way. And here you are. So you got your whole vlogging set up here. Like I said, you can angle this any way you want. If you want an angle like this. And so I'm gonna go ahead and record, put it on video. So this is me, guys, recording with the mic set up and everything. You guys can see there's my iPad over there. Here's some other stuff. So this is one way. You can stop it, reverse the camera, and there's Will H behind the camera there. And we're gonna go ahead and start recording. So if I wanted to vlog like this, then this is what you get. As you guys see, very small, portable. Should be excellent for vlogging, TikTok, whatever you want to use it for. This is going to be great. It's not very big, very portable. So this is the VF-K2 multifunction smartphone video kit. I will leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Will H Tech Review, and I'm out.